Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 Fujifilm cameras available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Fujifilm cameras. The 5th product on our list is the Fujifilm X-T100. X-T100 is one of Fujifilm's most advanced X-mount mirrorless cameras. This device brings a professional viewfinder experience to its users at a very affordable price. It has the handling potential to take a novice very far in their photographic journey. With fundamental but spectacular features, Fujifilm sure knows how to make pretty cameras. X-T100 is a fairly small camera. It measures 7.6 by 8.6 by 5.3 inches in size and 3.2 pounds in weight. Its body is built with a mix of plastic and metal, and it is available in champagne gold, matte black, or dark silver finish. The lens at full frame measures 35mm. It covers focal lengths from 15mm to 1200mm and captures very stunning and professional photos. You can buy the Fujifilm X-T100 camera only without the zoom lens, and it will take a few bucks off the initial price. An interesting feature the X-T100 has is the electronic viewfinder, or EVF, which is not commonly found in a low-cost mirrorless camera. Its EVF has a 0.62 times magnification. It is smooth and clear, thanks to a dense 2360K dot resolution and OLED tech. You can adjust the EVF's diopter to focus it on matching your vision. You will find a dial close to the EVF and a button to release the pop-up flash up top on the camera. The dial has several film emulation modes you can choose from. You can reprogram the dial to do anything you want it to do. Other features include Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, NFC, a micro HDMI, 2.5mm microphone input jack, and a micro USB. Its pros are: it is attractive and has a sturdy build. It has a solid control interface, and it comes with an excellent lens library. However, the cons are: it does not have a touch menu navigation, and it has ineffective tracking and inconsistent autofocus. Fujifilm X-T100 is a gorgeous mirrorless camera that produces stunning image quality at a reasonable price tag. It is suitable for novices who want to buttress their photography skills. Up next in the 4th place is Fujifilm X-100F. X-100F is the 4th iteration of Fujifilm's well-respected X-100 series. It uses a 35mm lens and a 24.3 megapixel X-trans sensor. The combination of a new sensor and a fixed focal length lens produces sharp and professional-looking photos. Though there is a bit of wide-angle distortion at its edges, the 35mm lens has a graceful background defocus, and it is sharp edge-to-edge. X-100F has autofocus and auto-exposure features. They give continuous shooting and produce an average of 8 frames per second for JPEGs. The autofocus picks the closest items in a clearly delineated scene, proving how responsive it is. Though the X-100F does not have a sophisticated metering system, it still works well. The Fujifilm X-100F can shoot a high-quality video of 1080p at 60 frames length per second, but unfortunately, it does not have 4K video recording capability. With a dynamic range of ISO 200, the X-100F produces a great image quality performance at low and high ISO levels. Its NP-W126S battery and faster processor make it possible for the X-100F to shoot up to 390 shots before its battery dies. This camera's unique features include a joystick for setting the autofocus point, a revised menu, and a twin punch-in control dial in the front and rear. It also has a hybrid optical electronic viewfinder and a digital teleconverter mode, which offers an angle of view equivalent to 50mm and 70mm. Its pros are: Fujifilm X-100F has a sensor cleaning system. It boasts high ISO sensitivity of about 25,600 to 53,200, and it supports Wi-Fi connectivity. However, it doesn't have a long battery life. If you need an advanced wide-angle and manual camera with better performance and fine-tuned design, the Fujifilm X-100F is the best camera for you. Still haven't found the Fujifilm camera that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Fujifilm X-T3. This cutting-edge camera is among the best Fujifilm cameras in the market. Its 4K video capture and high-quality 26-megapixel lens make this camera one of the most sought after by professional photographers and videographers. When you factor in the size, power, and affordability, Fujifilm X-T3 offers a lot more than other mirrorless cameras. It is the first Fujifilm camera that uses the latest 26.1 megapixel sensor. It is also the first Fujifilm camera with a black illuminated X-trans sensor, which means better lighting when shooting. It also means a better image quality. The X-T3 sensor has a 2.1 million phase detection sensor spread across its full image area. Its autofocus is fast. It is boosted by the inclusion of a new X processor 4-image processor. An increased autofocus sensitivity, improved subject tracking, and faster focusing are part of the unique features of the Fujifilm X-T3. Videographers are not left out. X-T3 can capture 10-bit 4K video with 4 to 20 color sampling and up to 60 pixels. This makes X-T3 an exceptional camera for video coverage by professionals. You can purchase the camera without lenses and use Fujifilm premium lenses, which have an auto manual switch. When using the X-T3, expect nothing less than exceptional photo quality. This mirrorless camera has the ability to capture a wide view and fast-moving subjects. Its pros are: its autofocus can cover a full image area. It has an excellent 26.1 megapixel sensor, and it can be used to shoot a 4K video at 60 frames length per second. However, its touch input is too sensitive. Fujifilm X-T3 has several great features, and you can hardly find anything bad to say about it. So if you are looking for a cutting-edge camera that can be used to capture both photos and videos, this camera is for you. The second product on our list is the Fujifilm X-T30. This camera is part of the Fujifilm X series mirrorless flagship. It is designed to have a striking resemblance to the X-T3 in both features and design. However, the X-T30 is smaller than the X-T3 and has a phase detect autofocus system of 425 point that covers the entire frame. It can also record an excellent 4K video and delivers better face detection and autofocus than other X-series models. With such great features, it would be hard to find a camera that comes close to Fujifilm X-T30. Weighing about 1.71 pounds and measuring 1.8 by 3.5 by 3.3 inches, this camera can fit nicely in your jacket or bag pockets. The back of the X-T30 has an 8-way autofocus joystick, which is used to navigate the camera's menu. Its display touchscreen, which pulls out and aligns vertically, is straightforward to use when looking through the viewfinder. Other features include a 2.5mm microphone jack, a Type-C USB port, a single SD card slot, and a slot for an external battery pack. Fujifilm X-T30 has a more responsive viewfinder with a smooth refresh rate of 100 frames per second. The top of the camera houses a trio of dials, and at its far left, you will find the drive control. This control makes it possible for you to switch between single or continuous capture. When shooting, you have several art filters and in-camera panoramic capture to choose from. The Fujifilm X-T30 is a useful macro photography device, supporting focus point bracketing, ISO, white balance, and film simulation. Its pros are: it has a tilting touch LCD and tactile controls. It has quick and accurate autofocus, and it supports 4K video. However, it has a restricted maximum video clip length. Nonetheless, if you look for a camera with accurate autofocus, speed, strong lens, and 4K video functionality, Fujifilm X-T30 has all that and lots more. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top Fujifilm camera is the Fujifilm GFX 100. Trust us to keep the best as the first. The Fujifilm GFX 100 is everything an enthusiast and professional photographer could ever ask for. It is a tall and big camera with mirrorless construction and 5 frames per second capability. You can use this camera on several different occasions because of its sensor and processor. Unlike other cameras on this list, this device has an on-sensor phase detection focus that makes it possible for capturing moving subjects in full frame. It also has an in-body stabilization that curbs blur and gives you a 100 megapixel image and 4K video using its entire frame width. Its 33 by 44 mm sensor is one of the unique features that make this camera suitable for professional use. Weighing about 3.01 pounds and measuring 10 by 8 by 8 inches, this camera is constructed using a magnesium alloy. This is the standard structure for pro cameras, therefore protecting the device against splashes and dust. A rare feature that makes this camera stand out is its weather protection, making it possible for you to use this device in any condition. Other features include a dual function button in the front, a lock and control dial, an OLED display, EV compensation button, on-off switch, a focus joystick, Type-C USB port, memory card slots, HDMI port, headphone jacks, remote connector, and Wi-Fi. Its pros are: it has a removable viewfinder, its sensor is nearly twice as large as its full frame, and it can stand all weather conditions. However, the cons are: it has big and bulky lenses, and it produces files of huge sizes. Thanks to its in-body stabilization and advanced autofocus system, the Fujifilm GFX 100 is the best medium format camera for any professional photographer or videographer. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.